While we all do our part in recycling, very few are aware of recycling from construction. With the volume of construction on the rise, gypsum recycling is becoming more important and necessary every single day. That's why we traveled to Kent, Washington, and took a behind-the-scenes look at the world's greatest in gypsum recycling, New West Gypsum Recycling. Founded in 1984, New West Gypsum Recycling was a natural fit for a company that was already in the construction waste hauling and demolition business.
New West Gypsum Recycling is the world leader in gypsum recycling, and they pioneered the technology on how to recycle drywall.
New West Gypsum Recycling has been processing wet and dry gypsum wallboard for the past 30 years to provide a feedstock for local wallboard manufacturers to make new gypsum wallboard. It was a natural fit for New West Gypsum to go into the recycling industry because they were already working with construction waste. They had a trucking company and they were also doing demolition as well. So when materials started to get banned from local landfills, they needed to find a solution for it. And the solution was to pull the material, separate it from other materials, and look for end users of it.
Recycling, reusing, and returning the highest quality recycled gypsum material in the world. New West Gypsum Recycling is all about assurance, efficiency, and reduced risk.
New West Gypsum Recycling reduces the risk to the manufacturers in which they interact with.
We test all the incoming material for quality control to make sure there's no asbestos or any foreign material that could be a detriment to the manufacturers we supply to.
The manufacturers can be assured that the material they receive is safe and of good quality that can be returned into new drywall. With this case, the manufacturers have a local area supply of material feedstock for their system. That's the gypsum portion. We also have the paper portion of the drywall, which is now being taken off and baled and going into new ceiling tiles. So the material is 100% recyclable.
With a goal of having no gypsum material end up in landfills, as well as a commitment to the reutilization of materials, New West Gypsum Recycling is a company that is constantly in growth mode.
When gypsum wallboard is discarded in the landfill and mixed with organic waste, it creates hydrogen sulfide gas and sulfide leachate, which is a black water that could seep into our rivers and streams and kill our fish. So with New West Gypsum recycling drywall and keeping it out of the landfill, we are doing our part to make the world a greener place. Our goal is to increase our efficiency through process innovation and accomplish 100% of all drywall to be recycled.
For New West Gypsum Recycling, it's about being smarter, being responsible, and being environmentally friendly. And that's only a portion of what makes them the world's greatest.